Hi, good evening, and welcome to session number 2 of Azure Cloud Journey. It's a part of two courses. One is Azure Administration or Azure Cloud 104, AZ 104, and 900 also included basics. Deep level, we are going to understand Azure Administration part. And the second one is the Terraform. Without Azure Cloud, you cannot understand the Terraform. So, dependent one. In the session number 1, we completed how to create an account. In this session, previous session we completed how to create an account, and in this session we are going to focus on actual Azure portal. But my request is that present don't create any account. I will inform you the right time. At the time of gateways, our hub and spoke concept also will come in the same time. In that scenario or in that time, you can create an account, free trial account. So Azure Cloud, the default are you have to remember the portal URL. This is a official website of your Azure portal in the GUI mode. Azure portal in the GUI mode. So this is official page. You have to provide your username and password. Once if you provide your username and password, you will directly land it on the default page of Azure portal. Once if you provide proper username and password, this is the landing zone or landed page of your Azure Cloud. Please notice these names initially you don't have on the screen. Based on your utilization, these will be updated. Yeah, this is not available to you. And this is also not available. Just plain information is available in this way. And you can notice what is all these things. And observe here, some names are available on the screen, interesting area. Your login mail ID. Your login mail ID is available on the screen, you can see. And before that, I will tell you the first two things you need to remember. Otherwise, listen carefully. Once if you log into your account, you are directly landed to default page is there now. First time you are seeing this one, or first item you can see after you are signing into the portal. This page containing so many things. This page containing so many things. The one of them is the first one is a menu list. The menu list is these names you have to remember. Menu list, portal menu, some names are available. These three lines. Three lines are available. Here you can see, not here, one second. Just give me 1 second. I have some what we can call customization is available. I want to show you the initial page. Give me few seconds. I am going to do small changes. Yeah, 1 second. Now directly you are going to land it inside of this page. You can see this is a 1 second, 1 second. Yes, 1 second. This page you can see directly on your first login. Perfectly you have. Perfectly you have now. You can see this is a perfect screen. Now these three lines you can call menu list. Everything here only. Menu list. Again I'm repeating. You should call this the menu list. Menu list or portal menu also. Menu list. Every cloud vendor providing to you services. If you want to see any service here only, you can see all services. These option only important. If you click on all services, everything is visible to you. Services. As anyone elaborate what is the meaning of service and resource? Anyone elaborate what is a service and resource?
Yeah, that maybe example compute is a service and a VM when you create that is a resource. Each VM is a resource.
Yeah, absolutely. For example, Azure OpenAI is a service. By this, if I create anything, by this, if I create anything, by using this one, if I create anything,
That's a
That is
resource.
called
that is the
a
resource. Simple.
resource.
So this is the first thing you need to remember. That is a menu one, portal menu or menu one also we can call it. The first item you are seeing. Second one is, this is a, for example, presently we don't know any service information, but once if you create certain thing, even you can notice one more thing, all services, bottom side, both are different, agree?
Yes.
All services provided by vendor, whatever you created, all resources. Generally, presently, day one you cannot see everything. But if I go to inside of this one, these menu list really helpful to you to navigate to even 1 second. I will go to any one of them. You can see resource manager. Observe this navigation bar. 1, 2, 3. If I want to go back to all services, just to click on this one. Just click on this button. Just click on this button. Automatically, you are going to land to all services. All services inside resource manager. Resource
37.
manager inside. I am going to select certain thing. 1 second. Yeah, I am going to create, for example, main server. Main server inside certain thing. See, observe the top level one. Top level one. Are you noticing that list is increasing? This line. Only observe this line. It is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. When I'm opening certain thing again, it is navigating. You can see. Yes.
Yes.
So this is nothing but a navigation bar we can call, but official name is not navigation bar. Something we can call. I believe this is a blade. Some blade name we can call. Breed crab or some name. Breed crab or blade we can call. Breed crab. I write. This is a breed crab. Even certification point also these words are important. These names are important. This navigation. If you click on here, you will land at the starting page. Yeah, that's why I'm muted everyone. I will give to you mic at right time. Please understand. And if you want to set service, resource, any documentation, this is a global search bar. It is a global search bar. You can search anything here, either service name or resource name, any documentation per point also you can use it. Capital G /. You're working somewhere, capital G /. You will directly land it inside of this. Capital G /. You can see shortcut, capital G /. Search anything. For example, I want to create machine. See, in the service section, these are available. It will search service resource document, three things. And like ChatGPT, Gemini, own implementation. If you want to interact with anything with Copilot, like ChatGPT, Yes, your account is connected here, Copilot. Your account is connected here, Copilot. So here you can ask it, create a VM with the name as ABC. It is try to give to you PowerShell. You know, only powerful technology in the Azure, only PowerShell. If you know the PowerShell, you can play with Azure Cloud, Windows, VMware, every area. PowerShell is the toppest tool for any Microsoft technology. Yeah, it is giving to Azure CLI approach. Shell command. It is providing to you shell commands to you. Bash commands we can call bash commands. But bash not user friendly. Same thing give me in a PowerShell. But where to execute this one? Where to execute this one? There is something available beside of that is a cloud shell. Global sets and Copilot, and next one is the this is a cloud shell you can write it. Cloud shell you can write it. This is a cloud shell you can write it. Cloud shell. If you open this cloud shell, you can see in the bottom side one blue color screen will be opened. Yes, you can run your power if you have an idea. We can run PowerShell, and these all are come under the settings section. Global setting. Example: I don't want to white color background color. Click on settings. When you click on settings, again one more time, I am going to see appearance. I am interested with the dark and collapsed. Yeah, just apply it. Now you can see same screen visible to you. I am landing to the home page. Click on here, home page. This is a home page you can see. Remove this cloud shell. Copilot, cloud shell, and this is a settings. And beside of this is your account information. This is your account information only. I mean, by which ID you are login. 1 second. And this is a which mail ID. What is the login name? Yes, we can switch to active directory. Nothing but directory, one directory to another directory. Okay, you are admin here. That's why you can see anything. But reality is different. You have just one user in the organization. ID is different. Even apps.microsoft.com URL also will come shortly. In the enter ID section, we can see. So these bar related to, this is related to your account, settings, cloud shell, copilot, global search, bridge search, I mean navigation, and service menu, portal menu, service menu or portal menu. Actually, portal menu is a correct word. Portal menu is a correct word. Why? Because there are two menus are available. I'm going with my previous white color only. It looks not good. Please allow me 1 second. Yeah, dashboard. Yes. Yeah, looks like this is good. I'm landing to my default page. If I'm selecting any service, example, I'm saying to you, we are going to learn virtual network. Virtual network. Second one only. Click on that. See, these one we can call service menu. This we can call as a service menu. If you click on this button, you are getting this one now. This we can call as a portal menu. Portal menu, and service menu it is. Service menu, portal menu. Portal menu is a high power one. And if you open any resource, if it is created, these area totally whatever you are seeing on the screen, this is nothing but working area, working panel. We can call this is a working panel. working panel, service menu, and these link we can call as what we can call this link. Just I said breadcrumb we can call. Again I'm writing breadcrumb. The navigation is possible. Move back to all services or network foundation and virtual machines. And you can notice one more thing also. Come to click on these three lines initially. Home. Sir, today our first service in the Azure is a Azure Virtual Network service name. So go to all services, filter service name, virtual network. Virtual network. See, go to the virtual network. Just keep the mouse here. Star symbol, click on that. It is filled now. It is filled. Nothing but it is created a favorite. After that, click on either Microsoft Azure World. Once if you click on that, you can see one of the service is added. You can see favorite is added. These all are favorites. All these are favorites only. Quick access purpose. A quick access purpose we can use it. If you want to bring it up, just click and hold, leave in the above. Bring to any position. Click right click, sorry, mouse left click, drag and drop. We can keep in any position. Next time onwards, if I want to work with service virtual network, click on that. Simple. This is a working plane. And if you go to any one of them, for example, here all resources are there. Go to any resource you can see. This is a resource name. Bottom side you can see your service name. Remember, if you open any resource, what is it secondary? What it does secondary? If you open any resource, in the above line, you have your name, your resource name you created, and bottom side you have a service name. Yeah, everything maybe creates some confusion. I think one document also available related to this. Azure portal controls. Let me try to check that one. Yeah, this is the one. No, give me 1 second. Not good. No, not this one. Get 1 second. Azure portal controls and elements. I think right. Yeah, this is a perfect page. I am going to link this one. 1 second. Yeah, this is an image. But same time we have a name. So okay, this is perfectly available to you. Almost 10 is available, but most I covered few of them. Number one is the description one, portal menu. Yeah, one is where is the one? I cannot see one anywhere. I think copy pasting time missing. These three lines is missing. 1 second, I will make it perfect. Control C, Control V, or copy the image, paste the image. No luck. Yeah, now I can able to see one. Then after this information, I am going to copy. Just I am copying here. Each word meaning is very clearly available to you here. Yeah, one line answers only. Better to I will keep in the red color. Now, portal menu and other words generally available. There is not a magical elements. General names only available. Yeah, I'm keeping in this section. Fine. So it is a public cloud, even though it is providing to you your personal or a isolated network. It is going to provide to build any server. I want to build a server. I want to create a resource. Nothing but one machine. I want to create it. If you want to create a machine, the first thing is you need to build a. First, you need to create an account. Yes, account created. You have a one valid subscription. Yes. In one account, you may have multiple subscription. I have one account. I have a one subscription, maybe free trial or anything, pay as you go. Then immediately, what is the next thing I have to create as per session number one? My target, I want to create a VM, but VM directly won't come. We have to create a container. The container is nothing but the first element you need to create, that is the resource group. Service name is resource group. And by the resource group, you can create one service. The resource group is a name. By that, create your own resource group, like my RG. Resource group containing name and location only. Location is just a dummy. Dummy. It's a dummy one. Resource group is a container. Tomorrow, if you want to create a server, or I want to create a database, or if I want to create a firewall, resource group is required. Resource group location can be anything. There is no link to resource group name to inside resource location. There is no relation. I am creating this server VM123 from India. So resource group to your resource name, there is no relation. Just like a dummy one. Sir, why they are keeping that one in the portal? For grouping of same category items as one object, or grouping same kind of projects in one area. Second one is the permissions also possible. So my target is, if I want to create a server, first I need a network, resource group is required. It is a step one. Once the resource group is available, I need to create my private network. Nothing but virtual network I have to create. Virtual network is a service name. By that you can create any resource. If you want to create your own network, you know there is a private IP ranges, siders are required. Private IP siders are required and subnets also required. Let's consider I am creating 2 or 3 subnets. So if you want to create the subnets, definitely we need to provide certain cider for sub VNet. Your main network is required. and these subnet siders also required. This is also important. Then after, we can able to create our vision in the cloud. See, for every target, there is a one service. I want to create a resource group, one service is there. VNet, one service is there. Subnet, one service. VM, one service. And one more thing, your Azure virtual network is a regional service. Is a regional service. What is the meaning of that, sir? You noticed one thing in the previous session, Azure having their own fiber cable across the globe. Like if you say these are the different across the globe on different continents or different countries, they have a regions. In every region, you have a minimum 3 data centers. These data centers only they are calling as a availability zone. Now you are creating first service virtual network. Today you are using. In short way, I am feeling difficult to call virtual network. Your first character, your first character. VNet I will call now onwards. VNet means you can consider virtual network. So if you create a virtual network, first of all, that is related to one region. Example, this region if you are creating, only within this region only you can create your VNet. Example, I am going to create my VNet name is VNet 123. Which region? Example, this is like a West US. Some Microsoft own names are available for the regions. And then after, yeah, what is the point I explained to you? Yes, VNet is a virtual network. Virtual network is a regional service. Means we cannot extend our span across the Azure resource, Azure regions. VNet region. Subnet also region. Inside VM also region. Why I am explaining this one to you? Sir, I have a two regions. Now I am creating one VNet here with two subnets. Now my question is, can I expand my subnet, my VNet in this way? Is it possible? It is a one region. It is a one region. This is I am calling my VNet. Can I extend my VNet within two regions? That is my question. Yes or no?
No.
No. That is reason VNet is a region specific service. Region specific service only. Okay, then after finally your VM is ready or VM is available. To create the VM also one more service is required. Service name is virtual
Machine.
machine. To create the RG, to create the resource group purpose, resource group service is required. To create virtual network, to create the subnets, actually subnet part of here only, but subnet also one service. So everything service. Service means the vendor providing to you over the internet. Sir, not this everything. Please first create a resource group. What is the required things for one resource group? This line is a resource group. This outside box. Which are required for resource group?
Name and region.
Name and region. So why the region is required? And second question. If region of my resource group is East US, is it restricting me to store only East US resources inside of it?
No.
Oh,
No.
Then why the region?
to categorize things.
Just to store the metadata purpose only.
Yeah.
Metadata about information about the resources. Small file will be created. The file will be stored in this region. In this region, you can store anything. I mean, in this resource group, you can store anything. Nothing will happen. That's why resource group location is dummy. You can ask same question over the internet. Is Azure VNet a regional service? Yes, Azure Virtual Network, your first service is a regional service. Each VNet you create is tied to a single single Azure region and cannot span across multiple regions, geographic regions. Excellent. Is there any, if I create a resource group in Azure with East US, is it only can I store East US resources inside of it? 1 second, my question is wrong or 1 second, 1 second. Yeah, no, you can store resources from any region inside of the resource group deployed in East US. Valid point? This is valid point, everyone?
Yeah.
Which data it is going to store?
Metadata.
Metadata. What is the metadata? Example, I am creating one VM. VM name is VM123. What is the metadata? VM123 8 GB inside. I have 5 movies, 10 files, 200 songs are available. What is the metadata? What is the metadata?
Storage.
No, just metadata means what is the name of the resource VM123 and what is the size? Base information only. Base information only. For example, you want to watch one movie. Want to watch one movie. You will get some metadata. Who is the hero, director, and who is the heroine, and who is the villain. This is the like metadata. You are not going to ask every scene inside of the movie, right? Are you understanding? Metadata means about main information. Understanding my point?
Yes.
So like configuration.
Not configuration, just resource information.
Okay.
Name, location.
Overview.
Actually,
Overview.
metadata means about data, just about resource. Resource name, location, and when it is created. This is
attributes and the specification.
yeah. So again, you can ask that one. See, I will ask, what is metadata? I cannot understand this word. Now, hold on. Yeah, metadata simply information about other data. Yeah, simple. Other data are not name, location, resource name, service name. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Simple. Yeah. Name of the machine, which one, what is the tag, who is the owner, this information. Not about resource inside data. Are you getting my point? How many movies are there? Not that. How many songs are there? Not that. Are you understanding? Not how many audios or videos, pics are available. No, no, no. About metadata. Yeah, great. So I want to create a resource group. Where I have to start? This is my portal. Where to start? Now I'm click on this Azure portal, Microsoft Azure Word. You will be landed in the default location. Come on. I want to create a resource. Listen. I want to create a resource, my RG, with help of service name as, service name is, what is service name?
Resource.
What is resource
Groups.
group? My
Resource group.
this red color word is clear? This red color one is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Now where to search initially? Today only the first session. Where to search it?
Global search for.
Global search, excellent. Perfect. This is perfect. Resource group.
Plus backslash.
Copilot.
Yeah. Copilot also okay. This is like internet. Otherwise,
Portal.
any
Portal name.
question, this is a starting point. Remember. Huh? These three lines. All services. What is the service name? Huh?
Resource group.
Resource group. Are you able to see? Is it favorite added? Already favorite added?
Yes.
Yeah. This is a one way. Otherwise, come to here. Group word also you can write it. Group. Oh, 1 second. Group. You can observe here. 99 plus services 31. Enter ID 1. Filter 4. Group is there. Otherwise, if I use resource, total 699 plus services 32. Enter ID. Enter ID is different. That's why I said. Enter ID is different. Yeah, I can able to see resource group. Otherwise, directly if you have an idea about that one, just to type and slowly type, then you will get your required thing. Already I have a certain services, certain resources. What we can call this one? What we can call this one? Portal menu or service menu?
Service menu.
Service menu of
Resource group.
resource group. I want to create a new resource group. What is this to? Already existing
Resources.
resources. If you want to create, click on new. There are three dashboard, three screens are available. Basic, tag, review and create. Sir, these two are common for any service, any resource. Leave it presently. Tags are important, but present scenario, you can skip them, these two. Basic information and everything having star, you can see closed observe. Do we have any star symbol?
Yes, sir. Red one.
Yeah, already subscription valid or subscription is available or not before coming to this account. Can I provide my name? Whatever the name I want, can I provide it?
Yes.
And which region you want to select it? Select any one of the region. Click on next. Tags not required. There is no star symbol. Review and create just like a preview and create it. Really, portal is very slow to you. You can observe carefully. Is it updated your MyRG?
Yes, sir. Updated.
I
No.
have one question.
No.
Now updated.
Now updated.
Yeah. Yes, you can ask the question.
Yeah. Suppose if the region is not region specific, then why we need to put the region while creating the resource group?
To store the metadata like permission purpose, billing purpose.
Okay, only for the billing purpose.
Permission,
That
mainly permission purpose, billing purpose. It's like a container, folder only. For example, you can see I have one file, Hugging Face, some number 20 is there. If I'm creating one folder, folder name is hello. Just listen. What is the size of this folder?
it can be anything 0 to the
No, presently.
it doesn't have anything, so 0.
0. So again, I'm copying one file. Next.
Yeah, 1 to multiple files.
Yeah. You know what is the size of this one? This time not, it will be 0, right? It having,
Since we are copying multiple files in the same
Yeah.
location, it will be having some data, at least 1 KB or 2 KB, something like that.
if there is no size, no files,
There is no files means there is no data. There is no
Similar like
size.
that. This folder is your resource group. This file is nothing but your resources. Just to grouping purpose. If I keep multiple files inside of this one, tomorrow deletion is easy or not for me if I keeping in this way. Deletion is easy or not?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can. Okay. So if you want to delete the resources which
Yeah.
are
Even
associated with the resource group,
yes.
okay, that can be
Perfect.
deleted without harm to the maybe
Yeah.
the existing resources.
Yeah. Deletion not only the scenario, but easy to perform these activities. Deletion.
It
If
can be
I
like we are segregating the data also, kind
simple
of
segregating
segregating the resources.
excellent.
Okay.
Segregating the data based on the project or based on the application.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. I have a resource group, but really, if you learn the PowerShell in this area, in the bottom side, PowerShell is not part of your course. But if I know the PowerShell, you can see my RG2 and how simple I am creating this one. I think those who knows the PowerShell, they will enjoy. Same thing I am creating, completed. I created one resource group. See, portal graphical user interface is very slow. You can notice the small change. Now slowly updated. Am I right? I'm creating 3. On the blue color, 1, that's all, over. But in the portal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Delay is there in the graphically. Agree? GUI is worst one. Worst means taking lot of time. Yes or no? You can see on
Yes,
the
yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
CLI is important, but CLI point one technology is required, that is a PowerShell scripting. I think anyone completed PowerShell scripting?
No,
Yes?
Little.
Little bit.
No, no.
Yeah, it is a dedicated 40 plus hours training is available. But it is like if you plan for like 5 plus years of experience on Azure, even enter ID point, every area, definitely it is recommended. But if you are completely new, please focus on GUI. Don't think about CLI. Okay, fine. So my target is I want to create a VNet. For VNet, which is required? Generally, I have a resource group. Sorry, my mistake. Subscription is there. And I have a resource group is there. Resource group name is my RG123. Am I right?
Yes.
And next one, VNet, if I want to create a virtual network, which are required? First one, name. What is the next? You know very well about if I want to create a virtual network,
Name, region,
which region you want? Name, yes. Very, very important one you are missing.
IP address,
Excellent. That we can
Trader.
call as
trader,
cider. What is a cider? Classless
inter
domain routing. It is the advanced concept of which one?
Subnets. Mask.
Subnet mask. So we have a class A, class B, class C. I think you have an idea. Yeah. For example, region I'm selecting West US. Name my VNet. Cider. Can I take this one? Agree, everyone?
Yeah.
Can I take this cider? Agree?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Sir, if you don't have the networking information, please ping me. I will share to you the 3 videos. And then what is the next one?
I agree.
Then what is the next step? Sir, inside what do you have? Okay, main story over. Inside what do you have?
Service we had.
Okay, main network you are created. Excellent. What about these boxes?
Subnets.
Subnets.
Subnets also required cider.
Yes, it should.
Can I divide 3 parts possible? Which website I can follow?
VNets. There is
Dependency
some.
calculator. It is better or not? Even with zero idea. Yes.
Yes.
How many parts you want to divide? Can I divide in this way? 3 or 4. What is the equal sider for that? What is the sider there? Equally.
Dash 18.
18, 18, 18. First sider, second sider, third sider, fourth sider. That's it. Simple. Guys, those who are new, please refer 3 networking videos. I will hold this topic for today. Creation, I will stop. Please refer the 3 videos. Okay, fine. How can I go to that? Which service I have to set? Come on. If I
Virtual
want
Virtual network.
virtual network.
Virtual network.
Virtual space, yes. Virtual network, you can see it is a part of network foundation virtual network. Click on create. How many screens are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 2 common, not required. Basic information. What is your subscription? What is RG? Available these 2?
Yes.
Available?
Yes.
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 These 2 are so star symbol. These 2 are star symbol. Huh? Your VNet name. Can I provide like in this way VNet 1?
Yes, sir.
Now, which region as per our plan?
West US.
West US. Type there. West US. That's all. Go to next. No need to touch anything in this screen presently. It is like a security. But third screen is important. Third screen describing which words? Huh?
Add subnet.
Subnets. Automatically one subnet added up.
Yes.
Yeah. Can I add more subnets possible?
Yes.
This is a screen too. That's all. Just create and review and create it. But I will create this virtual network in tomorrow's session. My target is I want to create this VM. That is ultimate target. I want to create this blue color VM. That is my target. Fine. This is for today and we will connect tomorrow. Tomorrow I will directly create the resource VNet. Yeah, that's all guys. This is for today and we will connect tomorrow. It's a continuation topic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just one question.
Yeah, please.
For today's session, is the recording available?
Every day you will get the daily recordings.
Okay.
I mean, one thing, maybe, for example, you are attended 1, 2, 3 sessions. Will I get the recording? Means yes. Even you are absent also, you will get the daily recordings. Come to, example, this training available 70 sessions, 1 to 70 sessions available in the drive. Whether you are attending live or not, definitely every day you will get the recordings. But yeah, maybe you reason anything, maybe practicing purpose or anything. But my suggestion is live training will give to you more clarity. Thank you.
Got it.
We will connect tomorrow.